Arctic blast could be costly for homeowners. A big problem this time of year, frozen pipes. So WMAR 2 News' Chanel Pearman joins us now with what people can do to protect their pipes and really their homes. Chanel.
Yes, Megan, frozen pipes can cost a homeowner thousands of dollars. So a good way to prevent that from happening is to have a small stream of water running. Well, experts say by doing this, it makes it harder for pipes to freeze. And you should do this to a faucet on an outside wall or one far from your water heater to allow water to travel throughout the entire system. Now, here's some more tips on how to protect your pipes from AAA Mid-Atlantic. Make sure everyone in your family knows where the water shutoff valve is and how it works. Remember, do not turn down the thermostat at bedtime. Instead, they suggest maintaining the same setting day and night. They say drops in temperature, which is more common overnight, could freeze your pipes. Also, leave cabinet doors open to help get heat to your pipes faster. And if you're going on vacation or leaving your home for an extended period of time, consider maintaining minimal heat to prevent freezing. If you turn on your faucet and no water comes out, chances are your pipes could be frozen. AAA experts say at that point in time, you should take lots of pictures and also keep receipts of all the damage that happened.